So the world is changing really quick. You can see, I don't know, it just feels that we are progressing really fast. And one of the things that's been catching my attention is this whole AI thing. Thinking of how this could affect my job, my income, where before a graphic designer like myself would take days to do, come up with a concept, color scheme, and maybe even samples or a direction of where you're going to. Nowadays, with AI, you just do it with a flick of a button or a click of a mouse. Now, with AI, I definitely see a lot of benefits, especially as a designer, where before I would have to come up with, ideas, sketch them out, to kind of figure out what I would like. With AI, you pretty much just describe it with words, and AI could spit out kind of things that you were thinking about. Or you can even be very abstract and just see what AI might create. It also has helped me produce quicker work. An example was one gentleman was asking for a specific phrase and a specific style for a t-shirt design. So he came to me. He liked one of the things I was doing, some of the stuff I was already selling, and he liked my style. So he basically said, "This is what I like." So I used AI to give me different prompts. So with the help of AI, in the next day, I was able to give him some selections. Where before I would probably work on some of these designs for a couple of days, and at best he would get like 3 options. But with AI, I kind of gave him I believe it was like 6 options, what he was wanting. And he chose one option, and I basically moved ahead with that one and tried to do it in my style. I've also seen some of the artists that I really like start embracing AI and including it in their work. And then there's people that are totally against this. They see it as soulless and just a copy of other artists. So most likely, whichever AI generator you're using, they've pretty much scoured the internet and learned different styles, different techniques from other people, and they use those styles or that type of artwork to recreate what you prompted. So AI is taking quite a number of jobs, but AI also is creating jobs. So now as we move forward in this new kind of era, where not just people that are skilled in design and art are gonna probably be replaced by AI, a lot of jobs are heading this way. Yeah, definitely will affect a lot of people. So trying to learn these things, but you also don't have to go all in with AI. You can definitely still do what you are talented doing, and if you are very talented, you will still have people that like your stuff, because it isn't AI, it isn't artificial. So there will still be a market for that. So as I've been diving deep into learning about AI, there's a lot of interesting tools out there. Music, that's another thing. Now you're prompting the machine to create a certain type of music, and you can even have an AI sample your voice for it to be able to sing properly in a track. The stuff that's going on is pretty insane. And never mind video, the AI machine could chop up your video in seconds, and people say, I haven't tried these things now, the video thing. People say it's, surprisingly good. So yeah, something I definitely want to check out and see if it'll help me create more videos and still be me in a way. And you can't really even get away from this right now, to be honest, as a designer. because most of the applications that I'm already using are starting to offer AI methods or AI generators. Just Adobe Photoshop, or at least Adobe, has some kind of AI generator, which is crazily amazing because it pretty much eliminates most of the basic things that you need to do with Photoshop. You just tell the AI to remove this, add this, clean this up, or create an image. It's pretty crazy what it's able to generate. And these videos are, interesting. It's fascinating how quickly this thing is going. Maybe in a few years, you won't even need actors. You'll just, here's where I see the good thing and the bad thing, where maybe having these huge millionaire actors, why spend so much money when you can still create something pretty cool using AI as your tool? And if you are a director or a film writer that can't afford to make this huge production of a movie using AI, it pretty much gives you the tools for you to tell your story. Even though you're not the artist illustrating it, you're curating what your story would seem in your mind. And who knows, with artificial implants, maybe you're able to think to the computer what you want, and it'll spit out exactly what you've been imagining. So I'm going to be playing around with some of these things, these video stuff, AI software, and as well as wanting to create more income. I see a lot of people create AI and how AI is helping them make money online. So that is, I want to check it out. I already know some of the things they're saying, but yeah, this whole AI thing seems, scary and fun at the same time. All right, ladies and gents, that is it for today. I'll see you next time. Peace.